Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Our lesson for today is about exploring heat applications in daily life, cooking and clothes drying.
Let's begin. To bake cookies, you need the heat from a and the correct answer is letter B, oven. When soup is cold, you use heat to make it. And the correct answer is letter A, hot. Heat from the sun helps wet clothes become. And the correct answer is letter A, dry.
A toaster uses heat to make bread. And the correct answer is letter B, crunchy. In the winter, a fireplace gives off heat to make a room. And the correct answer is letter B, warm. To melt butter, you put it near something. And the correct answer is letter B, hot.
The heat in a pot makes the water. And the correct answer is letter A, boil, which uses heat to make food. And the correct answer is letter A, an oven. When you use a dryer, the clothes get and the correct answer is letter B, dry.
Which is a source of heat for cooking? And the correct answer is Letter A stove. The heat from an iron makes wrinkles. And the correct answer is letter A, disappear. Cooking food uses heat to make it safe and the correct answer is letter B, tasty.
What makes an ice cream cone melt quickly? And the correct answer is letter B, heat. A hot water heater makes the water. And the correct answer is letter B, warm. If a pan is hot, it means it has a lot of and the correct answer is letter A, heat.
Sunshine gives us light, and also and the correct answer is letter A, heat. A hairdryer uses heat to make hair. And the correct answer is letter A, dry. To make popcorn, you need to add and the correct answer is letter B, heat.
A snowman melts because of the suns? And the correct answer is letter A, heat. A furnace in a house makes the air? And the correct answer is letter B, warm. What happens to chocolate when you heat it? And the correct answer is letter B, it melts.
Heat is a kind of and the correct answer is letter A, energy. We use a kettle to add heat to water for. And the correct answer is letter B, making tea, which uses heat to dry your hands. And the correct answer is letter B, a hand dryer.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.